The clampdown on the media in Pakistan is unprecedented. One of the best investigative journalists in Pakistan, ارشد Sharif, he was assassinated in Kenya just a couple of weeks back. This guy was exposing this whole plot that took place against me. That he was hounded out of Pakistan. He ended up going to Dubai. From there, he went to Kenya, where he was killed. There are two of my closest aides. One was my chief of staff. One was a senator, Azam Swati. Both were stripped naked, tortured. Both blamed the senior intelligence officer who was responsible for the torture. So look, the clampdown that has taken place on media is unprecedented in Pakistan. So for him to suddenly say that, they will lift the ban on me, it would not have withstood in any court of law. On what basis would they ban me? And by the way, how come as a person who was about to be assassinated, how come I cannot name those people who I'm suspicious about who planned this attempt on me?